Hi, I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography. I'm going to show you how to bend text in Photoshop Elements 9. Okay, so we are going to first type something so we can bend it. I'm going to click on the T for the type tool, and I'm going to go ahead and type something. Understand photography. And oops. All right, and then I'm just going to move that to the center there. Good. Okay, so you see up here at the top this little icon with the T with the little half moon there, create warped text if you hover over it. Well, it's not working. What you have to do is you have to highlight your text first, then you can click on it. You need to choose a style, so I am gonna, let's see, I'm gonna choose flag. So here I get a new little window, and you can see in the background as I move these sliders around that I'm distorting the text all over the place. Actually, you can move this out of the way so that we can see what we're doing. And I think I'm going to put it about like that, and I like it. Click OK, and then click in there, and you see that you have bent your text using Photoshop Elements.